I'm going to show you how to give your Hermes agent a dedicated phone number so it can start making calls and sending messages on your behalf. So the very first step to give your Hermes agent a phone number is to grab a POKU API key from the POKU dashboard. So hit dashboard, you'll be brought to a login screen, log in with any email, it's a magic link sign on, and then just hit generate API key. Save this key somewhere, we're about to use it in a minute or two. The next step is to run a single command in your terminal. So let me open my terminal. All I'm gonna do is run Hermes skills install emileindik /POKU. Emil's my technical co-founder. He's awesome. He's in some of the other videos. And all this is doing is going to ClawHub to pull this skill that we already published for OpenClaw, but Hermes can use it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and confirm, yes, install POKU. After the skill is installed, there's just one more thing you have to do. Remember the API key we just grabbed? We just have to run one command, echo POKU API key equals, plug in your API key here. What this does is it drops your key into the hermes.env file, which will fully configure the POKU skill and get it ready to use. I'm gonna make sure this command is right below the video so you guys can just copy and paste. And let's go ahead, hit enter. And now we can fire up our Hermes agent and ask about the POKU skill. So I said, hi Hermes, tell me about the POKU skill you just installed. It's pulling it up, it's reading it. So Hermes says, our API key is configured, ready to use. POKU can make phone calls, send messages, we can reserve a number. Why don't we go ahead and reserve a number to start? All right, so Hermes is asking me, do I have a preference between US or UK numbers? POKU is just starting to offer international phone numbers. So if you're watching this video and you want a local international number, please email us at hello@pokulabs.com and we're gonna try our very best to get you a number. Or it says I can just find whatever's available and show you the options. By the way, instead of chatting with your agent, you can also come to the POKU dashboard and head on over to the numbers tab and reserve a number here. You can flip through the pages, you can hit reserve and get a number. Let's get to the fun stuff, which is let's have Hermes agent make a call. So I'm gonna ask Hermes to call my friend Emily and ask if she wants to grab coffee next week. With the POKU skill, the Hermes agent will always make a plan and confirm with me that it's good to proceed before it places the call. And here we go. Hello?
Hi, Emily. I'm calling on behalf of Christina. She's wondering if you'd like to grab coffee with her next week. Would you be interested?
Yeah, I haven't seen Christina in a while. That'd be great.
That's great to hear. Is there a day and time next week that works best for you?
Let's see, how about Wednesday at 10 a.m.?
Perfect. I'll let Christina know you're available on Wednesday at 10 in the morning. Is there anything else I can help with?
Nope, please pass that on. Thanks, bye.
Thanks, Emily. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Call just finished. Hermes just let me know that Emily said yes, she's down for coffee. So yeah, that is just a tiny bit of what POKU can do. We can also do something fun, like place that same call again, but this time in French. So you can actually tell your Hermes agent to make calls in different languages. You can choose between a female and male voice, and you can send messages. So let's try this for fun.
Bonjour, Emily. Je t'appelle de la part de Christina. Elle se demandait si tu aimerais prendre un café la semaine prochaine.
I hope you all got a little fun taste of what it's like to use the POKU skill for your Hermes agent. I can't wait for you to try it out, and we always appreciate any feedback. You can explore more for what POKU can do for you at docs.pokulabs.com, and you can always email us at hello@pokulabs.com. Bye everyone, hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe. Thank you.